Have you ever thought that a recession could be your ticket to wealth? Sounds counterintuitive, right? Yet, history shows that economic downturns present rare opportunities for those ready to seize them. The pages of history are replete with tales of titans who saw not the end but a new beginning in economic downturns. The 2008 recession was the womb that birthed the giants of Airbnb and Uber. Ever heard the saying, when others are fearful, be greedy? You're standing on the precipice of a potential gold mine. Recession isn't just a crisis, it's your golden ticket. As storm clouds gather, the question isn't about how to survive, but how to thrive and get rich. History proves it time and again. Fortunes are made during recessions. Ever heard of Disney, HP, or Microsoft? All either born or boomed during economic downturns. And now it's your turn. Welcome, visionaries. Today, we'll uncover strategies, secrets, and steps to not just survive, but thrive during this economic downturn. 1. Cash reserves, your safety net and opportunity fund. When the market prices of assets, like stocks or properties, drop below their actual worth, that's when they are undervalued. This scenario presents a golden buying opportunity. Having liquidity, which means access to immediate cash or assets that can be quickly converted into cash, allows you to act fast and purchase these undervalued assets. Think of it as having the right key at the right time to open a treasure chest. By maintaining a reserve of cash or assets like short-term bonds, which can be easily sold, you ensure you're ready to capitalize on these opportunities. In essence, staying liquid is like having a safety net or a toolkit, ensuring you never miss a great deal. 2. The art of diversification. Imagine putting all your savings into buying just one type of fruit for a fruit stall. If that fruit goes out of season or gets a disease, you could lose everything. Now, think about buying a mix of fruits instead. Even if one doesn't sell, the others might cover for the loss. Similarly, investments work best when spread across different types, like stocks, bonds, real estate, or gold. This is called diversification. By not placing all your money into one kind of investment, you reduce the chance of facing a huge loss if that particular sector crashes. Plus, when one sector isn't doing well, another might be booming. This mix not only keeps your money safer, but also offers multiple avenues for potential profits. So, diversifying is like building a safety net for your investments. 3. Lifelong learning. Imagine a world that's constantly moving and changing, much like a spinning top. If you don't move with it, you'll be left behind. Staying still or refusing to adapt means becoming outdated or irrelevant. Now, consider fields like finance and emerging technologies. They're at the forefront of this rapid evolution. Not keeping up with advancements in these areas is like missing out on the tools of the future. To ensure you're always in the loop and can navigate the changes, arm yourself with knowledge. Dive deep into learning, stay curious, and remain updated. In this dynamic world, continuous learning isn't just beneficial, it's vital to staying relevant and ahead. 4. Sniping undervalued assets. Think of a recession like a big clearance sale in a store. Just as items get discounted, in a recession, many assets like stocks, property, or businesses can become cheaper than their actual worth. This drop in price doesn't always reflect the asset's true value or potential. It's like finding a designer dress at a fraction of its price. So, during these economic downturns, if you're watchful, like an eagle spotting its prey, you can identify and buy these undervalued assets. Later, when the economy improves, their value can rise again. Essentially, a recession can be a prime time to invest and secure great deals if you're vigilant and informed. 5. Borrowing wisely. Imagine borrowing a tool to enhance your craft. If used wisely, the end product can be far superior, earning you more. That's what strategic debt is like in finance. Taking on debt, when thoughtfully managed, can lead to investments that generate higher returns than the interest you pay. However, there's a cost. the interest on borrowed money. It's crucial to ensure this cost doesn't outweigh potential gains. Additionally, just as you'd return a borrowed tool, always have a plan and exit strategy for repaying the debt. Without careful planning, debt can become a burden rather than a boon. So, harness debt wisely, understanding its power and pitfalls. 6. Venturing beyond borders. Imagine a world map as a giant game board. While one region faces rain, another enjoys sunshine. Similarly, the economic climate varies across countries. When one nation experiences a downturn, another might be in a growth phase. By spreading investments across multiple countries, you essentially place bets on different parts of the game board. So, if one area faces challenges, your investments in flourishing regions can balance things out. This is geographical diversification. It's like ensuring you have both an umbrella for rain and sunglasses for sunny days. By diversifying investments internationally, you reduce risks tied to one country's economy and capture growth from booming regions. 7. Staying ahead of the curve. Picture a captain navigating the seas. By predicting storms and adjusting the ship's course, the journey becomes safer and more efficient. Similarly, in the financial world, predicting market trends is like foreseeing weather patterns. Those who can anticipate market shifts have the upper hand, allowing them to adapt their investment strategies for optimal gains or minimal losses. It's not about having a crystal ball, but staying informed. By continuously educating oneself, keeping abreast of news, and analyzing market data, one becomes better equipped to sense potential market changes. In the vast ocean of investments, knowledge is the compass that can guide towards prosperity and away from pitfalls. 8. The power of patience. Think of wealth building as growing a tree. While there are plants that sprout quickly, a sturdy oak takes time to mature. Quick riches can be like those fleeting plants, tempting but often short-lived. Sustained wealth, on the other hand, grows over time, like the oak. Even when storms, market downturns, shake the tree, a strong foundation, a well-thought-out investment strategy keeps it rooted. It's essential to resist the allure of quick gains and remain patient. Stick to your strategy, nurture it, and give it time to flourish. Just as the oak stands tall through seasons, patient and consistent efforts in wealth building lead to lasting prosperity. The world might see a recession. What you should see is an arena brimming with opportunities. The choice is yours to be swayed by the masses or to chart your own course. As we navigate the uncertain waters, remember, fortune favors the bold. So, will you merely endure, or will you emerge richer?